and welcome to this video. I've had a few donations sent in just lately, so I thought I would just do a quick video thanking the people that sent stuff in and show you guys at home what I've been sent. So the first box comes from a chap called Lee Bowles. Lee has sent some bits in. If I've pronounced your surname wrongly, I sincerely apologise. But this is from Lee, and I'm going to open this up and see what's in here. Now, he said there's all manner of parts, Helgen, Lima, loads of different parts he thinks make them in handy. So straight out the box, we've got a metal die-cast chassis, complete with the bogie pivot towers. That to me looks like it's for a class 33 or a 26, something like that, something short, something Helgen. So that's handy. Oh, and a Helgen PCB. It could be a kit of parts. We've got some bogie side frames. There is a Bachmann one there, that is for a class 47, I believe. There is a Bachmann Peak or class 40 bogie frame, that is for a 40, I believe. That would have come in handy when mine fell off the layout. There is a bogie frame there for a 92, I think. Could be a 92. It's, I think that's a Hornby one. So it's Hornby 92. Another class 40. That one's weathered. Another class 40 frame. We've got some cabs. Helgen, I believe. Got some putty on that one. We could have a whole kit of an engine here. Let's have a look. What else have we got? Oh, wrapped in here. Oh, look at all this. We have got the base plate. There's a base plate there, complete with buffers. That is for a Bachmann 24, I think. It's very bowed, look at that. But if you put that on a model, screwing that up would straighten that out. There's some side plates there. They could be for that. Oh, there's a battery box. That's definitely a 26, I think that is. And there is the guards compartment from a brake van. It's in very good condition. I'd only need a chassis for that. What else is in here? I don't want to miss anything. I think that's it for that. Then we've got a chassis weight, Bachmann one, for this. That goes on there, I think. There we go. All handy spares. Oh yeah, look at this. Class 26 body shell, 26041 in rail freight livery. So I assume then that these are the body side. Yeah, so there could be a trash to track there where I reactivate that 26. Because also in the box is a bag full of bits and pieces. Look, you've got bogie side frames, there's a bogie tower. I think the gears are in there, no worm drive. But there's the lighting setup, NEM pocket, rubber motor mount, so there's a worm gear. That's handy. Let's have a look. Extreme etchings, laser gaze kit for a class 26. More parts, they are not... Right, let me just put these up there. Because all these will go in the... I'll sort these out into their relevant spaces. There's some brushes and springs, brand new. Oh, there's lots of Lima brushes. There's some wires, bogie retainers, gears. Oh, they're all handy things to have. Lots of bogie brush springs, bogie release. Yeah, that's good. Loads of spares. Thank you, Lee. These will all come in handy. And last but not least, there is some Hornby pantograph parts. Now I think they are all just pantograph parts, roof details, so I'll leave them in the bag. But what a load of stuff that is. I mean, that's so tempting to try and locate all the bits for this. And so you know what am I missing? So there's a hair there, I'll get that out of the way. So, no, it's stuck to my finger now. So I'd need bogies, gear, towers, prop shafts, motor. Doable. Very doable. Who knows, I might do that in a future episode. Awesome, loads of bits and pieces. I like all that sort of stuff. That will bolster the spares box up a bit. Let's see where that goes. Yeah, so that's for that. Oh, these things look like they sit on there. Like that. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So there's enough bits there to do the 26. I might have to look at seeing if we can get a complete... That's too long for that. See if we can repair that 26 and return it to service. Oh, there's a bogie tail there, so I need one bogie tail, wheels, motor, drive shafts. Perfectly doable, but awesome spares. There's an armature there. That's off a Lima model. Looks very good, just needs a clean. What are these, traction tyres? Possibly. So thank you very much for that, Lee. Excellent, that is going to bolster some of the spares up really, really nicely. I don't think there's anything else in the box. No, there isn't, so I'll put all this stuff back in here and then we'll move on to the next thing. Right, the next donation box comes from Andy Carter, who said that he had a Airfix Class 31 that he wanted to donate to me, so we'll open this box up and see what's in here. Oh, the first thing I pulled out of that box was a massive bag of gloves. Now, this is handy because I don't actually have any of these. I very rarely use gloves, and I should do, really. Will they fit my massive hands? That's the problem. They do. Now look at that. When I'm using the airbrush and stuff. Oh yeah, excellent. Oh, cheers to them, Andy. There's loads in there as well. They're doing me for a while. Oh yeah, really happy with that. Thank you very much. I wasn't expecting that because, like I said, he only said there was a 31 in the box, which here is the said 31. Now this I didn't know was coming. There's other goodies in the box as well. We'll have a look at those in a minute. So this is the Airfix 31 that Andy sent. Body screws are loose. Everything's there apart from the couplings. And anybody who hasn't seen, I did one of these on a trash to track. I'll get the battery in a minute, see if that works, but it's in very good condition, very restorable. I have done one of these. In fact, I did two. I did a green one and I did a blue one. That was my dad's. So I'll get the battery in a minute, see if that works, but if not, I'm sure we can work our magic on it. And there's another bag in the box. In here. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, this will save some money. Wow, thank you very much. I did not expect this. So I've got a magnetic tray, or just, is it magnetic? No, but it's a working tray, so that's awesome. A pack of grease, Hobby Lube grease. That's full of glitter. Oh, it's dry graphite powder, you friggin' idiot. What an idiot. Right, I'm back now for making myself look like a complete and utter moron. Anyway, I can't believe I didn't even read that. I've never come across that before, dry graphite lubricant, never. And that one's also dry, so I'm not going to open that one either. So that's dry white and that's dry graphite. There's probably nothing left in it now. Oh yeah, there is just a lot. I can't believe I did that. Molly grease, Hobby Lube molly grease, and some Hobby Lube white grease. Yeah, they're brand new. Thank you for them. A fiberglass pencil, which is handy because I'm always losing mine. When I do track to track, I use it. Then I can't find it and I've put it somewhere. And my hands are really like smooth now where that went on. And the last but not least, something else I can spill all over myself. I've been working nights, so give me some slack. Some gear lube, Hobby Lube gear lube, some ultralight oil and some light oil with some applicators. Thank you so much, Andy and Lee. Now I know that these Hobby Lube kits are not cheap, so I really appreciate that. That is so kind of you to do that. I really do appreciate it. So let's have a look. Stand them over there. Unless I want to tip them all over the desk. So let's put a battery on the terminals of the 31. And oh, it's trying to go. The armature did move then. There's a short circuit across. I don't know if you can see that very well on there, but there is a little blue spark on that brush terminal there. So there is something not quite right with that. Yeah, there's a short circuit. Not going to keep trying it. So that lends itself. I tell you what, I'll put the screws in there because that will sit on in the overhaul queue. But I'm blown away by the generosity of you guys. Lee and Andy, thank you so much. For Lee, for the bits and pieces that are in the box, all the Helgen stuff, and Andy for the lubrication pack, fiberglass pencil, gloves. I should have left that bloody glove on. Shouldn't I? Then I wouldn't have got coated in that glittery stuff. I still can't believe I did that. What an idiot. Well, street cred damaged, I suppose. But no, thank you so much for donating. If you do want to send anything in as a donation, obviously it's entirely up to you. The address to send it to is in the description. So thanks very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm just going to... I shouldn't be left alone with that stuff. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another day. Bye for now.